Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. It is Mike here, the FPV Evil Monkey, guys, and I am this week down in Denver, Colorado. I'm at the dome race here. You can kind of see it's a big inflatable dome. So we're doing some micro races this time. So it's 2.5 inch or below. So I just finished building my brush whoop this afternoon, so I'm going to be racing that one tonight and just to see how it all does. So I'll kind of turn around here. I don't know what the course looks like yet, so I can't tell you, but I'll show you. Alright guys, so we are about halfway through the race, or a little bit more, and I'm doing pretty good considering I'm racing a brushless loop. I think my best lap so far is a 31-second lap, which is not too bad for this field, which is really awesome. So far I am super impressed with the brushless whoop, so it's awesome. I love it. So we'll hang out and we'll see where I qualify.